For today's video, we will create how uh, or how to create a text in a CAD simulator. It is if you want to put a text or create a text in a CAD simulator, what we will do is we will create no from we will create a text here in your workspace. To create a text, you start with look for your right standard toolbar here. You'll see the A symbol. Click the A. If you want to create a text, say for example, power supply feeder. Say for example, if you want to change the font style, you can also change its font style, and its size. For example, you need to change it through Arial, or you create Algerian, or any type of font you want to create. You can also change the font. At the same time, you can also change its font style if you want the regular one, or italic one, or the bold one. So I prepare a bold one. If you want to change the size, no, if you want to change the size of its font, you can also change it in your preferred size. For example, I prepared a 28 size font. Also, if you want to put an effects, for example, underline or struggle, you can also change that. At the same time, you can also change its color based on your preferences. If you want the black one, the maroon, any type of colors, you want the white one, or the lime, or you can also change it to silver, gray, or anything color that you prefer. You can also change in text. If, for example, we create a text, just press or click OK, then press OK. So here is the text you already created. You can also move or align its um, text, or you can also lower the font style, and also if you want to create the smaller one, you can also change that. Also change to bold one. You can also change it to bold size. Then press OK. And you will see the size is um already changed. So if you want different color aside from black one, you can also click or look on the right side of your properties toolbar. You can also in the tool palette or color palette. So change it to want to refer the blue one, for the blue one. So for example, here you want to prefer the blue one and create a text again. For example, 460 volts AC and three piece. You can also change the font style you want. For example, I want to change it in 9 or much smaller than the text above. You can also change that. So just click OK. Then we'll see the color will change also. And in a smaller one, if you want to create the font size, change font size, you can also change that. Another thing, if you want to change colors in other way around, you can also change it. Just press the click. You want the color one will be the red one. Say for example, you want to the red one, just click create text again. And say for example, create a disconnect fuse. For example, you want to create a font style, this one. Bold one, of course, the bold one. Create a size is 14. the same as above. Also change to okay. You'll see around the bottom of the effects, although you already change it to the red ones, you can also change it to the red one or the other ones. Also change that. So press OK. Then let's see what will happen. The color of its text will change it to red one. You want to change it to the red one, but if you um, change it to the black one, it will not directly change. I think yes, it will not direct. You need first to change it to black one and create a new one. Disconnect, disconnect, fuse. Okay. Yeah. And yes, of course, that is how it goes. You want to change it the colors. If I want, for example, the blue one, the other colors, you can also change it. Binds your customized color in your palette or define customization colors around here. You can also create that one. But I prefer a black, a red one, and the blue one for easy distinguish colors. If I need to create another text here, uh, color blocks, for example, branch circuit protection. So I change the bold also, or I change it to regular one, and can also change it with underline. Of course, you can also change that and click OK. You will see once you click the regular one, it differs from the other one because it is um not in a bold or in a regular. You want to make it bold and you want to remove the underline, you can also change that. See, click OK. So the text will come out in bold format, or if you want to change it in a strikeout, let's see what happened. Okay, so if you want to strike it out, you can also, this will, what will happen to your text. I replace it here. Then press OK. This is how to create your text in CADe Simulator. You want to change it color, you can change it based on your preference. If you want to change the other color here, you can also change based on your preferences. Circuit, circuit breaker. Okay, circuit breaker. So the font will the font color also replace, and if you want to change its size, for example, I want to be a 14 size or 10 size, not in a bold one, so I prepare a regular one. This will happen. If you want to check to change it to the bold one, you can also change it to the bold. Okay. And that's it. If you want to make create a text, you want to create a text based on your preferences, colors, and its font style or font size or other font, you can also change based on your preferences. And that's it for today. Thank you and God bless.